Hello folks, and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to have a play about with the audio settings on the Canon M50 which I've just bought, and I'm actually filming right now. So first of all we're going to try the inbuilt microphone which we're recording now. Then we're going to try the Audio Technica ATR3350 Lav Mic. Then I think we'll try the Boya BY MM1 shotgun mic. I think that's what it is. But before we start guys, we're going to have a cup of tea. Cheers! So folks, we're now on the built-in microphone on the Canon EOS M50. Now the microphone settings are set to auto, as is actually everything on the Canon at the minute. I haven't really had a chance to play about with the Canon, so this is a test of the audio, not the camera, so not sure how the picture is going to look. Looking on the screen it looks quite good. The face tracking is actually working. Anyway guys, so this is going to be the first test of the audio, so let's stop waffling. So we're on the inbuilt microphone. The settings are to auto. I'll change that to manual when I try the other two microphones, but in keeping with tradition, audio test number 1, built-in microphone. Mary had a little lamb, she also had a bear. I've often seen a lamb, I've never seen a bear. Audio test number 1. So guys, here we are with audio test number 2. So we've got now, we've got the Audio Technica ATR3350 Lav Mic connected. Now what I've done, I've switched the camera settings to manual, and I've got so I'm just going to look at the tablet folks, if you just bear with me 1 minute. So what we've got, I've downloaded the, I can't find it, here we go. I've actually downloaded the Canon Connect app, so you can actually control a lot of the camera from the app on my tablet. The only trouble is the tablet keeps switching off. I know this is not a test of the tablet folks, but what I will say is that when you're recording and I'm looking at the screen there, but I'm not looking at it, I'm looking at the screen there, I can't actually see any of the audio settings. I can't see what the audio is doing. But if I look down at my tablet, you can actually see the microphone levels. I will try and show you that, guys. I don't know if you can actually see it. Probably not, but down in this corner here, well, I'm not in picture. You see that? Down in that corner there, you can actually see the microphone levels, but you can't actually see them on the screen. Anyway, guys, we're already part way through this test. So what we are, as I said, we are, oh, I just kicked the camera, or you. So this is test number 2. I'm waffling again. So on test number 2, so we are on the Audio Technica ATR33 Lav Mic. So you've guessed it, Mary had a little lamb, she also had a bear. I've often seen her lamb, never seen her bear. Audio test number 2. So here we are guys, audio test number 3. First of all, a bit more of me amber nectar. This is tea, not beer. It would have been coffee actually, but we ran out. Anyway, enough of that. So this is audio test number 3 guys. So we are now on the Boya BY MM1 shotgun mic, which is sat up on top of the camera there. So this is audio test number 3, and in keeping with tradition, are we ready? You can sing along with this if you want, or follow me along. So Mary had a little lamb, she also had a bear. I've often seen her lamb, and I've never seen her bear. So that's audio test number 3. So again, I'm just going to look at the tablet folks, so just bear with me because it's switched off again. It's a pain in the backside. I don't know if there's any way that you can stop it turning off, but looking at the levels, yeah, I don't really know much about audio levels and audio settings and gain. If it sounds good, it sounds good. If it don't, it don't. But according to this meter here, it's bouncing back and forth quite nicely. It's just touching the green, if you like. There's a dot on the meter which is green, and then it goes into the yellow, and it's just bouncing off the green. I don't know whether that's good or that's bad. So any of you guys out there that have a Canon M50 or any Canon, I suppose, that can advise on audios, that would be greatly appreciated. So there we go guys, this is the test, the Canon's M50 audio. video looks quite good as well. This face tracking is quite good, and I tell you what, everybody does this because this has got this fantastic dual pixel autofocus. It's in full HD because the dual pixel autofocus don't work in 4K apparently, and you also get a 2x crop. It's probably not a big deal, guys. I'm just going to look at the screen. So let's see how good this dual pixel autofocus is. That's pretty quick, isn't it? Maybe is that too close? That autofocus is pretty quick, pretty sharp. Anyway, guys, so we've done a brief overview of the camera, guys. So done an audio test, and we're now going to have a listen to that. But the next thing is we're going to go out and try the camera out at some point. But until then, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you again soon. And more tea.